Hello again, Jonas and Ashley here with Vacation Rental 101, all things vacation rentals and second homes here in the Phoenix metro area. Today we're going to be talking about a very important topic, how to purchase an investment property, second home, vacation rental out of state. You know, we have obviously a lot of local buyers here that kind of understand the process a little bit better. For those of you that are not from Arizona, you know, it may seem a little daunting to, you know, maybe purchase the property from another state, and kind of logistics wise and kind of what that process looks like.
Yep. Yeah, we've had a lot of conversations with investors where we kind of give them the playbook on what they need to buy in order to be successful and answer all their questions. And then it's, you know, their next question is, well, what's next steps? So in the event you're ready to move forward and buy something, and we've, you know, left no stone unturned, there's a few different ways that we move forward with investors, and it really just kind of depends on your comfort level.
Absolutely. So, you know, with a lot of clients, obviously with this, you know, being an accelerated market, limited inventory, a lot of them are like, you know, do I, you know, schedule time to come out and maybe carve out like a couple days or a weekend and look at properties, which absolutely we could do and encourage. But a lot of times is what we recommend is we will do as much of the groundwork up front, online and remote. And the beauty is here in Arizona, we have a 10-day due diligence period, which does not start until after the contract is accepted. So a lot of times, since this is an investment property, we do a lot of video stuff, kind of like what we're doing right now, where we'll identify properties that we think are going to be a good fit, and send them the properties. If they like it, we're going to send you the resale comps and kind of the rent projections and kind of occupancy and kind of what the revenue side looks like, and then from that point forward, you just say go, and we will be out there as quick as humanly possible. Doing walkthrough videos, and when we're doing these videos, we're looking at a lot of things. We're assessing the property, property condition. We're looking for construction defects. We're checking out the neighborhood. Is there, power lines nearby, barking dogs, things that like would maybe be like an objection if you were here to look at the property. So when we're doing this, we're pointing out the good, the bad, and the ugly, and then we're going to upload these private videos, send you a private link. That way, it's just like you being here doing a walkthrough video, and we prepare everything via DocuSign. Very simple. All the contracts are prepared. You could literally sign from your smartphone, from your tablet, from your computer. And the beauty is here in Arizona, we're an escrow state. So all the transactions are facilitated through the realtors and through the escrow companies. Unlike other states where there's attorneys involved, just slows the process. The cost is more. You have to have a meeting of the minds at the closing. It's a very seamless process. A lot of the clients do the whole process soup to nuts and don't even step out here. I mean, they're getting notaries for the signing, all the financing's done, online and remote. I mean, it's very seamless.
You can be as involved as you want to be, 100%. Or 100% removed outside of just signing your stuff via DocuSign. So it's up to you and your comfort level and whether or not this is just a true investment and you're looking just to make sure it pencils out, or if it's a second home. Everyone is kind of looking at investments through a different lens. So. But we'll support you and help you with whichever bucket you fall in, or if you fall in kind of both. So just let us know what we can do to help you achieve the goal of buying a property out here.
100%. Yeah, and one of the main reasons I brought up the due diligence period is, let's say you find a property you like, and then that way we're able to, get it locked down, because maybe we, put a couple offers out before we're, successful. So instead of wasting a trip out here, we get the property locked down. We schedule the home inspection. Let's say it's, home, pool, termite, kind of the basics, assuming there's no, major stuff with the property. And then you could physically come out here during that time. We'll meet the home inspector. We'll walk the property. We'll, get the nuts and bolts of the home. Make sure that you like it. Make sure it's a good investment. If for whatever reason you do not, that's the beauty. We have the ability to cancel the purchase contract, get your deposit, get your earnest money back in full. Not that we want to start from scratch, but if it's not the right property, or if some things come back unfavorably on the home inspection that we can't get resolved either by repairs or credits from the seller, or just outside of your comfort level, no problem. We move on to the next one. So really, really, really simple.
Yeah, it's great because you can walk away without any sort of penalty. And I know in a lot of other states there is financial penalty in the event you decide to not move forward with a deal. So Arizona's really friendly in that way.
Very friendly. The way that the state contract is structured is actually very pro-buyer. So it's definitely more of a pro-buyer contract. There's multiple contingencies, and we don't necessarily want to have that in the back of your mind, like, oh, I'm just going to cancel. But it's nice to have those safety nets in place. So you have your home inspection, which is your 10-day inspection, unless you decide to trim that timeline down. And then we have the appraisal contingency. So unless we have to get really aggressive with an offer where there's maybe an appraisal waiver, either full or partial, if the property does not appraise for contract price, contract value, we have the ability to renegotiate the contract price or cancel the transaction. You also have, this is a crazy one, most people from out of state are blown away by this one, we have a mortgage contingency, meaning if the financer, if the lender is not able to get you financed up until 3 calendar days before close of escrow, say something happens and your financing falls apart at the last minute, we can still cancel and get your deposit back. So it's just nice to have that peace of mind. That way you're kind of going into these purchases with total confidence.
Absolutely, and it kind of eases your mind that we're going to do every single thing that we can on the due diligence side to make sure that this property is a good fit. So it really just kind of gives you that reassurance and allows you to sleep at night. It's not so nerve-wracking.
100%. Well, if you got value from this, we ask in favor, just like, subscribe, share,
call, email, DM.
All the things.
Yeah, we're here to help. So let us know what we can do.
Please let us know what we can do. And like I said, if you have any interest in possibly investing in the Phoenix metro market, even if you're just kind of exploring and kicking tires, have questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. You will be in contact with either myself, Ashley, somebody on my team. And we look forward to hearing you and hopefully helping you.
See you soon.
Thanks.